Well, hello everyone, this is Kimberly here. Welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to talk about some things pertaining to YouTube. This may be a benefit of or benefit to people just starting out on YouTube. It may be a benefit to people that are already, that have been on YouTube for a minute. We all are at different stages and can learn each and every day a little something about YouTube. So today I'm going to talk about how to set up a playlist and add your videos to a playlist. I'm doing this on a desktop. I do not know how to do it by phone. I don't even know if it can be done by phone. I'm just doing what works for me. I'm also going to share some other things, two other things with you, excuse me, that I have came across, and it could be a help, okay? So first of all, let me share with you this playlist. Now, as you can see here, you see my wall, my page here, and I'm going to go to playlist. I'm going to click playlist. And as you can see, here are some of my playlists. I want to create a new playlist. So I'm going to go here, new playlist, and I'm going to click it. And I'm creating the playlist for the Styled Out China Cabinet Fall 2019. So that's what I'm going to type in. Alright. Of course, I want it public. I'm going to click Create. And there is my list so far. I press the three dots here and press playlist settings. And I'm checking to make sure everything is okay. And everything is. So I press done. I'm coming back over here again to collaborate. And I'm clicking collaborators can add videos to this playlist. I'm clicking that on. And then I'm copying the playlist link. And then I'm done. All right. So then it jumps to this screen here. You see my add videos. I can add my videos here. All right. But first, since this is the video that I'm going to add, I need to put the link in this video. Pasting that link in. Got a little typo there. And I'm saving that. And I'm gonna copy my link to this video and place it in this playlist. Okay. that's how you add it as well. Now YouTube has changed it a little bit. And it took me a little tweaking to do that. You can also go down here to playlist. I already have it added to my Vlogtober, but I can also click on that one too and add it to another playlist, which is already in there as well. Alright, so let's add it to 2 playlists. I hope this video has been helpful. If you should have any questions, feel free to ask and I will try to help out in any way. Now I set this playlist up for the styled out cabinet or china cabinet for fall for 2019 because some of you mentioned that you wanted to share your china cabinet. You can share a china cabinet, bookcase, anything, a curio, anything that you want to share styled out for the fall season. And you will be able to add your videos to this playlist if you want to participate. Next thing that I want to talk about that I noticed it this weekend in a collaboration that I was participating in. I was noticing with a lot of people that I thought I was subscribed to, I wasn't subscribed to anymore. Just like I was checking out my sister, My Style Full of Hope, and I'm like, okay, I've been subscribed to her since I've been on YouTube, and my subscribe button is not wrong, okay? And I noticed that with quite a few ladies in the collab that I participated in on Saturday. Alright. So I don't know what YouTube is doing. Hope I'm ringing the bell again, honey. And double clicking it so I can get my notifications. But I would suggest from time to time, check out, go through your feed and see if you're still subscribed to some of your favorite YouTubers, because I found that I was not, and I don't know, I didn't unclick them, so I don't know what was going on. But yeah, that's my suggestion to you. And lastly, and I've noticed this a lot, YouTube has the premiere feature. The premieres are an opportunity, a great opportunity, one for you to showcase a video that you are, that you really love, and it gives you the opportunity to chat with your family or your subscribers while watching the video. And I've noticed several times I've gone on to watch a premiere and the host is not there. The host is not there at all. This is a great way to communicate with your subscriber. I hope that these tips that I have shared today has been helpful or have been helpful to you. I'm the type of person, if I know and I can help someone in any way, I will. Alright, I will. I have no problem with that. But if you are new here, welcome to the channel. I am so glad that you are here, and I hope that you decide to stay with the family, and I call this family the Diva family. All you need to do is push that red subscribe button and subscribe to the channel. And don't forget, when you subscribe, to hit the notification bell. That way you will be notified of all the videos that I upload. To all of my faithful, all of my supportive, all of my loving Diva family members, because you all love on me and I love loving on you. Thank you so much for all that you do. I appreciate it so much. You take care. You be blessed. Thanks again for watching, y'all. And I will see you on the next video, which is tomorrow. Have a blessed day.